Prepare for today's thrilling showcase of products designed to make your life easier. We'll be featuring a versatile elevated dog bowl, an efficient power screwdriver, and a precise laser tape measure. But that's not all. Picture a gadget that seamlessly blends vintage charm with modern functionality, perfect for any home or office. Curious? Stay tuned until the end to uncover this unique find. Let's dive in. Are you looking for a practical solution for your pet's feeding needs? This adjustable bowl stand is designed to grow with your dog, featuring adjustable heights of 3.2, 8.7, 10.2, and 11.8 inches to accommodate all stages of life from puppyhood to senior years. The elevated design reduces strain on joints and promotes healthier digestion, making it ideal for dogs with arthritis or mobility issues. Constructed from high-quality ABS plastic and featuring durable stainless steel bowls, this feeding station is robust and easy to maintain. The bowls are dishwasher safe, ensuring cleanliness and convenience. Setting up the URPOWER elevated dog bowl is straightforward, with simple height adjustments and foldable legs for easy storage. Anti-slip pads on the legs keep the stand stable, preventing spills and movement during meals. For pets that tend to eat or drink too quickly, the slow feeder bowl design encourages slower consumption, improving digestion, and reducing the risk of obesity. The slow water feeder design also helps prevent choking and splashing, keeping your pet's fur dry. Introducing the URPOWER X255L SD semi-automatic power screwdriver with screw holder, a game changer for your DIY projects. This tool features a quick-draw bit change mechanism and holds a charge for months, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced DIY enthusiasts. The lightweight design, at just 1.1 pounds, ensures easy handling and reduces fatigue during extended use. It operates at a speed of 270 revolutions per minute, driving screws efficiently and quickly. The screwdriver includes 6 bits, providing versatility for various tasks, and the reloadable cartridge system keeps bits organized and accessible. Powered by a 4V max lithium battery, it holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring the tool is always ready when needed. The on-off trigger offers variable speed control, and the onboard LED light illuminates dark workspaces. Its slim design allows easy access to tight spots, enhancing usability. Additional features include reversible rotation for tightening or loosening screws and a detachable screw holder that prevents dropped screws. The URPOWER SD semi-automatic driver is compatible with any 1/4 inches bit, adding to its versatility. The URPOWER X255L SD semi-automatic power screwdriver combines innovative design, ease of use, and long-lasting battery life, making it an excellent investment for reliable and efficient home improvement tasks. Looking for a precise and versatile measuring tool? Introducing the Prexiso 2-in-1 laser tape measure, combining a 135-foot laser range with a 16-foot tape measure. This device is perfect for any project, offering reliable measurements in feet, inches, or meters, and includes Pythagorean theorem calculations. The 16-foot tape measure comes with a rubberized ABS case and a magnetic hook for secure attachment to metal surfaces. Its high-accuracy laser with 6 measurement modes, distance, continuous, area, volume, and 2 Pythagorean methods, ensures precision within 1/8 inch. To conserve battery life, the device automatically shuts off after 120 seconds of inactivity. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and USB Type-C charging, the Prexiso laser tape measure provides up to 5,000 measurements per charge. A backlit color display enhances readability in low-light conditions, and a belt clip ensures easy portability. The nylon-coated blade resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting use. Ideal for home, construction, and industrial applications, this tool is particularly useful in large areas such as rooms, buildings, and warehouses. It includes a user manual, USB charger, and package box. The Prexiso 2-in-1 laser tape measure combines reliability and affordability, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Experience the fun of indoor flights with the Scoot LED hover drone. This hand-controlled, glowing drone is simple to operate. Just toss it to launch and catch it to stop. With red and blue LED lights, it's perfect for glow-in-the-dark indoor racing. The package includes a 4.5 inches LED Scoot hands-free auto drone, a USB charging cable, a mini screwdriver, and a user manual. Designed for beginners, the Scoot drone is equipped with infrared sensors for easy flying. Guide it across any room, perform 360-degree flips, and catch it when you're done. The Scoot drone's webbed shell protects small hands and walls during flight, making it a safe and fun toy for kids. The red and blue LED lights glow brightly, perfect for nighttime flights or races. After a quick 50-minute charge, enjoy 8 minutes of flight time. Scoot drones use smart motion sensors to avoid obstacles, allowing them to navigate any indoor space autonomously. The Scoot Duo Pack includes 2 original Scoot drones, one red and one blue, that hover mid-air and can be guided by hand. The bright LEDs make them visible even in the dark. Ideal for kids aged 8 and up, these drones encourage group play, bringing families and friends together. Quick charging ensures minimal downtime between flights. The Scoot drones are designed to be fun and easy for first-time flyers, making them a fantastic choice for indoor entertainment. Discover the ultimate measuring tool with the Prexiso 2-in-1 laser tape measure, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its 135-foot laser range and 16-foot tape measure make it versatile and reliable for any project. But that's not all. Stay tuned for more exciting gadgets designed to make your life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated on the latest and greatest tools. Discover the MOPALL Small Bathroom Trash Can, a high-tech, space-saving solution for modern households. This automatic sensor trash can revolutionize waste disposal with its innovative vacuum system, ensuring the trash bag adheres tightly to the can's inner wall. Say goodbye to the hassle of frequently adjusting bags and hello to efficient space utilization. Measuring a compact 3.5 gallons with dimensions of 11.4 inches in length, 6.29 inches in width, and 13.1 inches in height, this trash can is ideal for maintaining cleanliness in your bathroom. It keeps unsightly and potentially hazardous waste like dental floss and sanitary pads covered, which is crucial for households with pets or children. The upgraded motion sensor system is designed for longevity, lasting up to 6 years. It features advanced smart chips for high efficiency and extended battery life. The lid opens and closes silently using air damping technology, and its IPX5 waterproof rating ensures durability in humid environments. Cleaning is effortless due to its smooth ABS surface. This trash can not only trap odors effectively, making it perfect for those with sensitive noses, but it also encourages proper waste disposal habits in children. Its sleek and sturdy design fits seamlessly in any room, whether it's the bathroom, office, or bedroom, combining practicality with a modern aesthetic. Please note, however, that the trash can requires 4 AA batteries, which are not included in the package if ordered. Follow the instructions to install the batteries correctly and to use the included trash bags. For optimal performance, use 4-gallon garbage bags. Experience the convenience and hygiene of the MOPALL Small Bathroom Trash Can, where advanced technology meets everyday functionality. Enhance your nighttime safety with the LED Flash Shoe Safety Clip Light, a vibrant and practical accessory for outdoor activities like running, cycling, and walking. These weatherproof, wide-angle visibility clips feature colorful LEDs and provide up to 70 hours of steady runtime or 100 hours of flashing runtime, powered by included CR2032 batteries. Crafted from durable TPU with a curved shape and moderate hardness, these clips securely attach to your shoes without adhesives or fasteners, though they are not recommended for leather shoes to avoid scratching. Ideal for visibility in the dark, the bright lights can be seen up to half a mile away, ensuring you are noticed by drivers and others. The clip's design includes an ultra-bright LED with 2 settings, steady and flash, making it versatile for various activities such as jogging, climbing, and shopping. Available in multiple colors, these clips fit most shoe sizes and can also be attached to arms, bikes, or other gear for added visibility. The LED Flash Shoe Safety Clip Light is built to withstand the elements with its IP67 waterproof rating, allowing you to stay active even in light rain. The flexible display and low power consumption chip offer 11 flashing modes, powered by a lithium battery for over 8 hours of continuous use. Whether for children or adults, these clips provide a fashionable, cool design that improves visibility and safety during nighttime activities. Easy to use with a one-click attachment, they come with a 1-year warranty and are a great alternative to traditional reflectors. Transform your ordinary shoes into glowing safety lights and enjoy your outdoor adventures with peace of mind. Introducing Pawsibility. Reinvented pet nail clippers designed to ensure safe and precise trimming for your furry friends. These clippers feature an ultra-bright LED light that illuminates the bloodline in nails, making it easier to avoid cutting too close. However, note that the LED may be less effective on dark or black nails. The clippers are equipped with high-grade, razor-sharp stainless steel blades, capable of handling nails of all sizes, from small cats to large dogs. A built-in nail storage box collects trimmed nails, preventing mess and making cleanup a breeze. Additionally, a retractable nail file is integrated into the handle, ensuring a complete grooming experience. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfort and durability, made from animal-friendly materials that are both strong and comfortable to use. These clippers are built to last and are recommended by vets for both dogs and cats. Pawsibility clippers include a rechargeable battery for the LED light, ensuring you always have the illumination you need. With a focus on safety and ease of use, these clippers make pet grooming a more enjoyable task for both you and your pet. As promised at the beginning of this video, we introduced the Retro Flip Clock, a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality. This 12-hour AM/PM clock features a flip-down minute and hour display, all driven by an accurate quartz movement and internal gear system. Crafted with a 304 stainless steel frame, it's not only stylish, but also easy to clean, making it an excellent addition to any home or office. Powered by a single decarbon zinc battery, the clock measures 8.2 by 3.2 by 6.3 inches, making it an ideal desk accessory. The large numbers on the flip cards ensure easy readability from a distance, while the low noise level and soft ticking sound create a serene environment. The Retro Flip Clock is not just functional, but also a piece of art, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, Father's Day, housewarmings, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. Its classic, minimalistic design appeals to both aesthetic and practical needs, ensuring it complements any interior setting, whether in the office, kitchen, or bedroom. With its high-quality materials, including a non-corrosive stainless steel structure and durable ABS plastic flip pages, this clock is built to last. It features an easy-to-use time adjustment via a rotary roulette and promises up to 90 days of operation on a single battery. Experience the perfect combination of retro style and reliable performance with the Retro Flip Clock. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Don't miss our next video where we'll be diving into a self-sustainable micro unit, making sustainable living with the comfort of a luxury hotel anywhere in the world possible. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.